Jasper versus AI Writer. Which AI software is better for blog post writing? If you're trying to choose between Jasper and AI Writer for your next blog post, you're probably wondering which one will actually get the job done. Both claim to be the ultimate AI writing assistant, but which one will truly help you craft quality blog posts in less time? Stay tuned till the end because I've got a recommendation that might surprise you. Let's start with Jasper. Known for its sleek interface and advanced features, Jasper is a popular choice for marketers and content creators. The big draw here is its ability to generate not only blog posts, but also social media content, ad copy, and more. It offers templates for pretty much anything you need and promises to generate copy quickly. But here's the thing, Jasper can be a bit hit or miss with its content flow. Sometimes it nails the tone and structure, other times it feels a little forced. And as powerful as the tool is, it comes with a hefty price tag, which could be a deal breaker for those just starting out or working with a tight budget. Next up is AI Writer. It focuses on being an efficient, no-frills tool for creating well-structured blog posts. One of the biggest selling points of AI Writer is its simplicity. The interface is minimalistic, and it's easy to get started without too much of a learning curve. It's also priced more reasonably compared to Jasper, which might make it an attractive option for people who are looking for value. However, its content generation can sometimes lack the depth and nuance that you get with Jasper, especially if you're writing on more complex topics. AI Writer doesn't offer the same variety of templates or customization options, so you're a bit more limited in terms of creativity. The third thing to consider is AI quality. Jasper excels in generating creative, conversational copy. It's great for when you need to produce catchy headlines or engaging introductions. But for blog posts that require more technical detail or a deep dive into a subject, Jasper might need a bit more manual tweaking. AI Writer, on the other hand, is focused on delivering straightforward, SEO-friendly content. It's more likely to stick to the point, but sometimes that comes at the cost of style or personality. Now, let's talk about speed. Jasper is pretty fast, but its performance can slow down if you're asking for longer pieces or using more advanced features. AI Writer is generally faster, especially for shorter blog posts. However, with AI Writer, you may find that it takes a bit more editing to make sure the tone and voice are on point, as it doesn't have the same level of creative flair that Jasper offers. The fourth thing is pricing. Jasper's pricing structure can get pretty expensive, with its basic plan starting at $49 per month. While this might be fine if you're a business or a content creator who churns out large volumes of work, it might not be worth it for someone who only needs a few blog posts a month. AI Writer, with its pricing starting at $29 per month, is a more affordable option, making it a solid choice for small businesses or solo creators. But here's the thing, both of these tools are solid options for writing blog posts, but they do have their shortcomings. Jasper's creativity is a major strength, but the high cost could be a deal breaker. AI Writer is affordable and fast, but the content sometimes lacks that creative touch. So, if you're really serious about finding the best AI software for blog post writing, I've tested all of them, and the one that stood out to me is something that combines the best features of both, offering creativity, speed, and affordability. If you want to see what I'm talking about, take advantage of the exclusive free trial through the first link in the description below. It's the best offer available and only for our viewers. You won't want to miss out on this, trust me. Check it out and let me know your thoughts in the comments.